And as I walk through the valley of death, my voice echoes out through the night. Lord, Lord, whatever your reason, don't believe the reason right.
Hello YouTube, it's me again. Gonna walk in Utah's garage. Picked up this. It's a Utica Tools, Utica, New York, 8-inch drop forged alloy steel crescent wrench. Oh, adjustable wrench, crescents, everybody knows. But this one, see, this one opens and this one closes. This one doesn't do anything. This one is stuck right there. This one is a same thing, alloy steel. I don't know, 12-inch Utica Tools, vapor rusted, nice and gray metal, fused shit. Another project. But anyway, paid like $4 for this thing. Thought it was cool. And I don't know if I see any more. I'm gonna vapor rust it, give it a good polishing, turn it to a little nice, metal chrome finish. Or maybe I'll gun blue the whole thing, who knows. So anyway, I now have two Utica Tools wrenches. One doesn't work worth crap, and the other one, well, it's small, it works. But yeah, these things actually feel a lot better made than, honestly, there's a Blue Point one, and this one just feels better. Like it's probably the same similar style. Not much difference really, let's see. Similar to the, but I like the older ones. I find they're made better. This one I bought, this little chromey thing here, is a fuller one. The problem with these ones is every time I use them, you work a nut and the damn thing seems like it just opens more and more. It never stays the right size. So anyway, hope you liked the video. Like, subscribe, check out the merch below, and thanks for watching.